Welcome to Python Tutorial, Lesson 7. Today we cover loops and iteration. Learn to repeat actions and process sequences. For loops, repeat code a set number of times. Range generates a sequence of numbers to loop over. Enumerate and zip add power to for loops. Let us create for _loops.py using NVIM. Range 1 to 6 prints the numbers 1 through 5. A step value of 2 gives us only even numbers. For iterates directly over list items. Enumerate adds an index to each item. Zip pairs up items from two lists. Let us review and run the code. Each loop prints its output in sequence. While loops repeat, as long as a condition is true. Break exits the loop, continue skips ahead, an else clause runs when the loop ends normally. Let us create while _loops.py. The countdown decreases count each pass. Else runs because the loop had no break. While true runs forever until break fires. Continue skips odd numbers and loops again. Let us review the script with bat. All three loop patterns run in sequence. Notice the else message after countdown. Let us build a guessing game as our mini project. It combines while true, break, and conditionals. The player gets hints until they guess correctly. Let us create guessing_game.py. Random.seed gives us the same secret each run. The while true loop keeps asking for guesses. If elif else tells the player too low or too high. Break exits the loop when the guess is correct. Let us review and play the game. 50 is too low, 90 is too high. 82 is correct in just 3 attempts. Let us recap loops and iteration. For with range controls counting. Enumerate and zip enhance loops. Break exits continue skips. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. In the next lesson, we will explore lists.